everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Melis. Last week we made a December journal out of a Starbucks cup. This week I'd like to share a December journaling with newly arrived Daphne's Diary magazine and my new digital vintage linen kit holiday. As usual, I started with cutting images, titles, and quotes. Or sometimes when I like the entire page, I just rip the page out of the magazine. So I'm cutting out photos, illustrations, border decorations, or artworks. Daphne's Diary always has multiple articles about artists, which I enjoy so much. I love their beautiful arts and stories. I'm done with the magazine and started to cut the printable. This is the holiday kit. It has 5 pages. You saw the linens in the last week tutorial video. As my other digital kits, I made coordinating journal cards, tags, labels, and mini washi tapes. Also, this kit has postal stamps as well. You know I love postal stamps. This is how I cut them. I use pinking shears. Let me show you how I do it. First, cut the margins, and I'm going to cut out the triangles one by one. Hold your pinking shears tight and be careful not to cut all the way by accident. Voila, it's all done. I kept cutting the journal cards. This is my favorite in this kit. I made Christmas titles, words, and sayings. The titles are beautiful calligraphy style and the words and the sayings are vintage typewriter font. Titles and words are always so useful when you journal. I hope you enjoy them too. So the first thing I did was covering the first page with this warm and soft pattern from Daphne's Diary because I thought the colors of this pattern goes better with the inside cover. And then I covered the next page, which was blank. For me, white blank pages feel more difficult to start. I prefer to have something as a background. I guess that's one of the things I love about junk journals. It is eclectic, so it feels like it is already started, not I am starting from zero. What about you? What do you love about junk journals? This building on the right page is a beautiful artwork of Laura Sayers. She is a paper illustrator. She makes intricate miniatures with papers. Her article was definitely my favorite in this month's issue. I'll link her website and social media in the description box below. To make a journaling space on the left page, I cut one of the journal cards. and edit little bits and pieces around the page. Lastly, I added this star next to the title and pulled out these pretty snowflake stickers and finished the right page. I'm trimming the excess. Moved on to the next page. I wanted to work with this photo. I cut it in half and backed with one of the pages in the booklet. Daphne's diary often comes with a mini booklet like this. They are so adorable. I'm adding jute twine to the tag. I chose turquoise color because I thought it matches the edge of the left page. You can see the sun is setting. It's winter where I live, so it gets dark so early. I glued the title Holiday and finishing the page by adding little houses at the top and the bottom. I am journaling on the tag and in the label. So this is how today's journalings turned out. The first page has blue and red featuring Laura's beautiful artwork, and the second page has more rustic feel. I really love how the photo and my digital kits mingle together. If you're interested in this digital vintage linen kit, check more details in my Etsy shop. There will be a link below. And if you've missed last week's video, click the card at the top. You can watch the tutorial how I made the December journal out of a Starbucks cup. I hope you enjoyed the journaling process. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my new video next Thursday. Bye bye!